Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the issue you are having with Microsoft Store error code 0x87af0813. Try that again, something went wrong. The error code 0x87af0813. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type WS RESET WS reset. Run command. You want to open it, click on it. Give a moment here guys. The problem easily resolved guys. If not, let's go to our next step. Go to search menu and type CMD. Run as administrator. Click yes. Here you want to type IP CONFIG space slash FLUSH DNS. Press enter guys. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Next thing you want to type NETSCH space WINSOCK space RESET. Press enter. Successfully reset the Winstock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go and restart it guys. After restarting your computer, if the problem gets resolved, and if you're not resolved, let's go to third step guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it. Click other troubleshooters. Scroll down guys. You want to click on Windows Store apps. Run it. Close the troubleshooters guys. You should good to go guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.